The Vario Signature 1200 is a luxurious high-end motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. It is 12 meters long and weighs 26 tons, making it a true behemoth of the road. The Signature 1200 features a massive car garage that can accommodate a car as large as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. The Vario Signature 1200 is designed for comfortable and stylish travel, with a spacious interior that can accommodate up to 6 people. The interior is equipped with all the amenities you would expect in a high-end motorhome, including a kitchen, bathroom, living area, and bedroom. The kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. The bedroom has a queen-sized bed and a wardrobe. The base price of the Vario Signature 1200 is $922,000. The CMC Alona is a luxurious motorhome built by the Italian company CMC Caravan. It is known for its spacious interior, high-quality finishes, and advanced features. The Alona is available in a variety of layouts, but all models share some common features. These include a slide-out section that expands the living space, a full-size kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a bedroom with a queen-sized bed, and a bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. The Alona is a great choice for those who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable motorhome. It is perfect for long-distance travel or for spending time at your favorite campsite. It is also one of the most expensive motorhomes on the market, with a starting price of around $300,000. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition is a revolutionary RV that redefines the concept of mobile homes. This unique vehicle, designed by SAIC Motor, transforms from a single-story RV into a two-story moving home with a panoramic sunroom. When stationary, the main level expands to offer 215 square feet of space, housing the living room, kitchen, luxury bar, and bathroom. The upper level, accessible via an elevator, provides an additional 133 square feet that can be used as an open sunlight room, a zen room, or a study. The V90 Villa Edition also features an exterior pull-out cooking area, LED lighting, a JBL sound system, washing machine, kitchenette, and air conditioner. Currently available in China for about $413,000. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a 399 square feet tiny home model inspired by Western Montana architecture. It has a shed roof style, Western cedar horizontal metal siding, and black-clad windows for the exterior. The interior features shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and stained tongue and groove ceilings. The Big Sky has a spacious living area with a couch and a fireplace. The kitchen is galley style and has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and an oven. There are 2 bedrooms, one with a king-sized bed and the other with a queen-sized bed. The bathroom is located in the back of the home and has a shower, a toilet, and a sink. The Timbercraft Big Sky tiny home starts at $50,000. The STX Volvo horse truck is a luxurious and powerful vehicle designed to transport horses in comfort and safety. It's built on a Volvo FH chassis known for its reliability and performance and is available in various configurations to accommodate 4 to 9 horses. The living area is spacious and well-equipped with amenities such as a bathroom, dining area for 4 people, satellite TV and air conditioning, kitchen, and sleeping accommodations. The horse area features rubber flooring, skylights, cooling fans, surveillance cameras, adjustable partitions, and a temperature registration system. The STX Volvo FH540 is not just a horse truck but a statement of elegance and quality. The EarthRoamer SX is a luxurious all-terrain expedition vehicle built on a Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis. It's designed for off-road travel and camping in remote areas with all the amenities of home. The SX is powered by a 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine that produces 445 horsepower and 910 lb-ft of torque, giving it the power to handle any terrain from mountains to mud bogs. The SX has a spacious interior with a dynamic kitchen, a bathroom, and 2 bedrooms. The dinette can seat up to 6 people, and the kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, a stove, and a sink. The bathroom has a shower, a toilet, and a sink. The master bedroom has a queen-sized bed, and the second bedroom has a bunk bed. It is priced at $145,000.
Laramie stock combo. If you love horses and traveling, you'll be amazed by this trailer. It's not just a regular horse trailer, it's also a cozy motorhome with all the amenities. This trailer is a product of American ingenuity and craftsmanship. It's so versatile that the manufacturer says it can do anything, and they're not exaggerating. It's 8 feet wide and 7.8 feet high, and it can accommodate a whole family and their horses. It has a spacious bedroom, a relaxing lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a modern bathroom, and a 15-foot area for the horses with insulation. It comes with everything you need, from furniture to appliances. The only thing you have to worry about is how to maneuver this beast on the road. Sky Dancer Cabrio. The market is full of choices. In the US, the demand for these vehicles has skyrocketed by several 100%. People are reimagining vacations, a publication observed, so it's important to offer them not just something big but also something unique. That's what this German company did. They took a standard modest-sized motorhome and added a roof that can slide open just like in a convertible. They didn't even have to rack their brains for a name and called it the Sky Dancer Cabrio. And the idea is this: instead of being in separate rooms, the 4 people are always together, chatting, admiring nature. For the nights, curtains cover the windows, and the seats turn into a large sleeping area. Trial versions were made on the chassis of the Mercedes Atico truck and the Fiat Ducato minibus. By the way, the Ducato was one of the most popular for motorhomes up to 7,716 pounds and accounts for 75% of the market, so German experts clearly have big ambitions.